Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Stay safe. I am Pratiksha Shinde, international wushu player and the coach of Maharashtra State. Even I am a referee of Maharashtra State as well. So today I will be teaching you a Tai Chi. Tai Chi, it's a traditional yoga form which has been practicing in all over the Asian countries. Okay, so Tai Chi, it helps to improve your immune system. It also helps to reduce your muscle pains, and it also helps in improve your flexibility. In recent study, it's been shown that Tai Chi actually helps you to live longer. It also cure your body issues. It also cure your BP issues. It also cures your all the joint pain issues. So let's get started. So to start Tai Chi, what you will be needing? You will be needing a small part of your house, okay? And the second is your comfort clothes. So you can choose any of your comfort clothes, but what I will recommend you, just go with the light colors. Light colors actually gives you the peace of mind, as it's a very slow form. You don't need to go to any dark color or like a any kind of loud or rock music. So here you can actually perform Tai Chi on a very calm and light music. So let's get started with the basic exercise. Exercise is always started either your head to your toe or your toe to your head. So we will be starting right from the head to your toe. So first let's start it with the neck. So like this, you have to stretch your neck 10 times. Then after that, let's come to neck rotation. So you can rotate your neck clock and anti-clockwise 10 times. Then after neck, let's come to your shoulder part. Okay, so as you can see over here, put your hands on your shoulder and just again clockwise and anti-clockwise again 10 times each side. Okay, after shoulder, let's come to your hand part. So what you have to do, just take your hand like this, overlap your another hand and just push it back. Again 10 times, then put it downwards, again push from here. Same rotation with the other hand 10 times. After this, let's do this exercise 10 times. Okay, after this, let's come to your hip parts. So what you have to do, you just have to rotate your hip in clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times each. Okay, after your hip rotation, let's come to the lower body part. So what you have to do, you have to take a little extra distance compared to your shoulder level. Okay, you have to touch your right hand to your left feet and your left hand to your right feet. Okay, you have to perform this exercise 10 times each. Okay, like this. Okay, so after this, what you have to perform small basic stance, which will be we are performing during the entire event. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to take your right leg and just bend it in a 90 degree. Okay, your upper body straight and just press from your hip. Again, other side. As you can see, my body is straight, my front leg is 90 degree, turn. Let's bend. Okay, after stances, let's come to your ankle rotation. So what you have to do, you just have to rotate your ankle clock and anti-clockwise. Again, 10 times each. Ankle exercise is very much necessary because there are the chances that you might twist your ankles during your performance. Okay, thank you. So after your whole body exercise and stretching, let's come to the breathing exercise. Breathing exercise is very much necessary in a Tai Chi forms. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to slowly inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale and exhale. So like this you can do it. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You can repeat it like 20 times. So today I will be teaching you a basic forms of Tai Chi which will help you to calm you down, relax your body and mind, and get ready to do Tai Chi. So there are 3 basic hand movements which we will be using. The fist, as you can see, the fist, the palm, and the hook. Okay, so these 3 movements we will be using while performing the Tai Chi. So as you understood the basic hand forms and basic hand movements, so now I will show you the lower body part and the basic stances which we will be using in performing Tai Chi. Okay, the very basic stance and the starting stance is horse step. Okay, horse stance, which is like you just have to take a little distance, take your shoulder level distance in your both the legs and just bend down. Okay, again I will show you. Take a shoulder level distance and take your hands a little and just bend down. That's it. Okay, so this is horse step. So next step will be toe step. So what you have to do in this, you just have to turn your body and take one leg out, your heel up, and your hands will be like this. Okay, again I will show you. Turn your body, leg out, up your heel, little bend from your knee, just and this. Okay, this is the second stance. Okay, now we have learned a horse step, toe steps. Now let's jump to the third step or third stance, which is empty stance. Okay, empty stance or empty steps. So what you have to do, you just again have to take a little distance in your legs. Okay, take one leg out and turn your little body towards your that leg. And in last stance, what we have done, we have just up our heel. Now in this stance, we have to up our toe. Okay, and the same hand will be go down and this. Again I will show you. Okay, now let's jump to the last and the fourth stance or fourth step of the basic Tai Chi form, which is bow step or bow stance. So what you have to do again, as we have seen in last 2 stances, you have to take your one leg out, turn your body towards that leg, and you have to just take your right hand or opposite hand and just press ahead. Okay, as you can see, my first left leg is little bent, my back leg is little bent, but the straight. Okay, so what you have to do, like this. As you can see, I have shown you the all hand and the fist movements. Now in this step or this stance, I am only using my palm. Okay.